smelled it. I won't.
Yeah, it did. If I end up using that random ass clip of some donuts, let me explain it to you guys. So I was babysitting my niece Saturday, which was yesterday, and she spent the night as well. And this morning we got up to go have brunch with my brother, with my niece's parents basically, and we went to do a celebratory brunch for my daughter's 18th birthday. So her birthday this year falls on a Tuesday, and then the next weekend is their daughter's birthday. So my brother's daughter and my daughter are 4 days apart, but 18 years and 4 days apart. Or is it 17 years and 4 days apart? I don't know. I don't got time for math right now because I'm super tired. But my daughter's December 4th, their daughter's December 8th. And so next weekend is their little munchkin's birthday. And so we were doing a brunch celebration today. We went and I had French toast. It was amazing, but that was basically the only clip I got because we were just all talking and then trying to entertain a 1-year-old. So sorry for that random clip. I know that you guys love to, I don't know that you do, but I would assume that maybe sometimes you love seeing me vlog different things rather than being in my house, or maybe some of you love it, really homey stuff. I love the homey vlogs, so I have no idea what your personal preference is, but there's lots of other vloggers that do a ton of other different things, but here I mostly am a homey type person vlog. So anyway, okay, so here's what I want to do. I actually want to take a nap. I'm super tired. I think I'm gonna catch some snooze up in here, and then after that I want to do like a clean. So this may turn into a cleaning vlog. Yes, I'm taking a nap in my jeans and everything that I'm wearing because I don't care. That's how tired I am. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my god. This is the most beautiful feeling. Alright, I'm interrupting the cleaning for one quick second to show you guys what I got at Target. I think that clip is going to be somewhere in my vlogs, so you're probably wondering, well, what did you get? I got a birthday card for my niece, and then I just only got one onesie. I got it in 6 month. I probably should have gone with like 6 to 9 or something like that, because I feel like she's just about to grow out of the 6 month stuff. guys, that's about the extent of cleaning that I'm gonna do today. My shoulder's actually pretty sore. I think that I'm overworking it with the vacuum cleaner, so dang it. But anyway, really this clean with me was just me vacuuming, because I can't talk about it. You guys know if you watch my videos, you know. So, but I do feel like everything is clean and great. Another day I'm going to mop, but it's not going to be today, and I'm going to clean the upstairs, another deep clean. I want to try to get in the habit of doing the upstairs every 2 weeks, so we'll get to that. And really all this place needed was a deep clean. The kitchen countertops I had already like cleaned off, so those didn't need to be done, but I did the dishes. And Loxy is now eating, which reminds me, I'm hungry. I have all this leftover makeup. I'm hungry, so I'm going to make something to eat, which I don't really have stuff to like make my homemade dinners. So I'm gonna also sit on the couch and go through my Walmart grocery app and see what I need to order, and maybe even plan like a menu for the week. I used to do that. I used to like print off a menu and everything, but things have just gotten so busy, so crazy, that I just stopped doing that. And now with cheer kind of gone, I may get back into that. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in another Vlogmas.